What's up, what's up, what's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? How we doing? How we doing? Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Welcome, welcome, guys. Morning, AI Wolf. How we doing, man? It's time to get into it, man. It's time to get into it here. We are going to get into it. Bunch of stuff happening, guys. As we know, new month. It's time to settle in because we got a lot to talk about as we start off the new month, guys. Welcome in, everybody. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Good morning. Here we go. We start a new month, guys. We start a new month where, July has always been a pretty good month for us in crypto. All right. July has always been a pretty good month for us in Bitcoin. We've turned the page to July. We're looking at potential Ethereum ETFs this month. Solana ETFs have been floated around now. Just a lot of things happening now in the space. And we are here to talk about it. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Good morning, everybody. How we doing? How we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Looking forward to the Shark Tank on Wednesday with BBM. Yeah, Shark Tank Wednesday over on the Crypto Breakfast Club. We will be doing the Crypto Breakfast Club, of course, today as well. Lot to love about what we got going on over there. Thanks to you guys, which has been awesome. Trying to put a thumbnail on this for us, but let's see here. See if I actually can do that. Change. There we go. Bang. Appreciate you guys for coming in. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. We'll give everybody a couple minutes to find us here, and then we'll get into it. How you guys doing? How was your guys' weekend? How you guys feeling? Grab a coffee. Yeah, man. I've already had a couple shots of espresso, so feeling good. Feeling good. Still kind of waking up a little bit. Slowly. Slowly waking up a little bit. Appreciate you guys for coming in. Let's see what we've got. A lot of stuff happening. Bitcoin is up a little bit, which is huge. We'll talk about why to start the new month. It's actually a really big deal that we've got Bitcoin kind of making a nice little run here. Actually, a really big deal. July has historically been a good month for us in crypto. July has historically been a pretty good month for us, and we're starting off on the right foot. That's for sure. So we'd love to see it. Good morning from Cocoa Beach, Florida. What's up, Tom? How you doing, baby? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. JH is in the house. What's up, brother? What's going on? Good morning to you guys. I'm ready for another phenomenal week. Ready for a phenomenal week. I got a cough, so all right, get that out. Top of the morning, guys. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. How about Caspa? We're going to talk a little bit about that. Caspa setting all-time highs. Amazing. Love it. Caspa's been crushing it. Crushing it. Very, very low key, too. Very, very low key. And listen, there's a lot coming down the line for Cas, I think. I think we're just beginning there with Caspa. But setting all-time highs with smart contracts coming. And we're not even in a full-fledged bull run. Telling you guys. We're looking at some small caps. We are looking at some small caps as well, which is good to see. Interesting. All in on Cas. Yeah, man, I hear you, bro. It is just an unbelievable play. It has been for a really long time. It has been for a really long time. It's been amazing, honestly, to watch that play out. It's been amazing to watch that play out. And a lot of people, are sleeping still on it. I mean, the fact that it hasn't got listed on Binance and Coinbase yet, that keeps it off of people's radar a little bit. And then people feel like they missed it. People already feel like they missed the boat on it because it's gone up so much. The thing is, guys, it's gone up so much, but we have yet to see a full-fledged bull cycle yet, right? That's the thing with Caspa that gets me really, really excited. We haven't seen a full-fledged bull run. This thing is launched in the bear market, and it's crushing it, okay? It's crushing it. Gotta get my hat out of the car. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So the fact that Bitcoin popped up yesterday, basically to start the new month, big deal, guys. Big, big deal. Because we're staying 200-day moving average, which is really, really important for us. And July has historically been a pretty bullish month for crypto. Pretty bullish for Bitcoin. It's been a winning month for Bitcoin. And so we're off to a really good start. How high do you see ACH going? Alchemy Pay? It just depends. It just depends on how much traction we can get. And that whole payment side of things is still really, really early. There's still a lot to be done in that space, but I think it's definitely a sleeper in that area. I really loved it in 2021, but the landscape has changed so much. I'm so more focused on some of these top meme coin projects and AI and RWA, right? Good morning, Cody. How you doing, man? And you have to change and adapt, guys. You cannot stay the same, right? So what you used to love or what you used to have as your top holdings, it may change a little bit over time, and that's okay, right? That's okay. I'm excited for this. Hello from Queensland, Australia. What's your thoughts on BitTorrent? I like BitTorrent. It's interesting. I am squinting like crazy. I gotta get some sunglasses. Hold on, guys. I cannot stay in the sun without sunglasses. I don't know about you guys. Oh, I got an interesting pair here. I forgot. Good morning, Suzuki. How you guys doing? How's everybody doing? What's going on, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? How we doing, ladies and gents? Algorand? Is that what that was? Algo? Which part of the world are you in today? We're everywhere, baby. We're everywhere. We're everywhere. We are everywhere. You guys know. You're having major freezing during the live stream, like now. Is it okay now? Should be okay. Let me get off. Let me get off the Wi-Fi. Should be good now. We just got off Wi-Fi. We're back on 5G. Have been watching Paw Chain. Have been watching. You were fine. Okay. All right. We're good. We're good off Wi-Fi now. Guys, there's some small caps out there. Have you guys seen this shib Nobi on base over the weekend? I jumped into it at an $8,000 market cap. $8,000 market cap. I'm not quite sure where it is right now. I think it might be like 400,000 right now. That has been insane. We'll see kind of what transpires here. They just got the Telegram added. We saw Saitama on Solana, community takeover type project, right? Fly, I think, to 20 million. I think it went to 20 million at its peak. Still sitting at like 3 or 4 million. And now we have shib Nobi on base. Of course, this is a project that went to $1 billion market cap before the founder over there basically ran off and screwed everybody over. I like that play. I mean, obviously we're super early into it. It's a small cap play. I think it can get to a few million at least, right? You would think if Solana on Saitama on Solana could get to 20 million, why not? So that's what I'm looking at. It's still low cap relatively, still less than $1 million market cap. We've been talking about Monka S for a while. It's looking really solid, nice steady growth. That's another small cap we're looking at. Peter said Cass had a great bounce. Do you consider at current levels still have a buy? I would highly encourage you guys, if you're not using XT Algo, the tool that I've had created, check it out. It's a little over $1 a day because it's going to tell you the best spot for Caspa on the pullback. A lot of people shorted Cass after it just hit all-time high, which usually that's what happens. So Cass, I think at last check this morning was down, I don't know, 7 or 8%, which, you know, it's usually what you get. But I'm looking at Cass long term, guys. It's a top 5 holding of mine in this bull run. It's to me, it's one of the best plays out there, in my opinion. What's going on, everybody? Vito's in the house. Whatever happened to Ryoshi Vision? Appreciate you, brother. Dude, that one just died on the vine. That is one of the classic things that happen in crypto, right? We were excited about it. They had a partnership with SHIB, but then remember SHIB relinquished their partnership. I think they saw the writing on the wall, and that's the thing that we have to be cognizant of in crypto sometimes. A lot of times people have awesome things to say and great ideas, but you know, whether they do it or not or fall through, and you know, there are still a lot of bad devs in crypto, right? And it's not an easy job to be a good developer in crypto, but you have to number one is you have to communicate. You have to communicate with your community. And once that communication stopped with Ryoshi Vision, I lost faith in the project and got out. It's not a tool for Caspa. Well, it's a tool for trading Caspa and for everything. XT Algo, it's my trading indicator I had built. Links are down below if you're interested. There's a 21% discount. This goes for all the major cryptos. If you're looking for the best entry points and exit points, a little over $1 a day with the discount code. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can get started and try it. It's a tool that's helped me immensely. On the weekly chart, it flashed a buy signal on Caspa when it was at 4 cents. That's when I decided to get in based on what the indicator had told me. So I opened up my Caspa position at 4 cents. We just recently hit 20 cents, which is insane. It's a 5X, and I built out a really big position, and I think we're just getting started, man. I really do. Solana VM scam. I remember that project. Did it launch already? Paid to play? And please quit spamming, please. Okay, dude. All right, please. Enough. I saw your comment. Give us substance here. What's going on with it? I haven't seen it. Did something happen over the weekend or what? Judge, what's going on, bro? How are you, man? Good morning. Happy Monday to you, bro. Mr. Leisure, you got it, bro. Wyatt says, thoughts on the Fetch AI merger to ASI. What's happening today? What's up, brother? Yeah, so right now, it's really, really important you focus in on understanding where you hold these assets to see if that exchange, if it is an exchange, if that exchange is going to follow suit or follow through with the merger, right? So you got to make sure that the exchange is handling that. If not, get it off there, obviously, and get it into a position where, you know, you can get those one-to-one tokens. There are some exchanges that are accepting the merger, some that aren't. Remember when Gala did their V2, Gala Games, Coinbase did the same thing. They didn't, I'm missing the word. I want to say respect the merge or respect the V2. There's a word for it. They didn't, I don't know what the word is. I am brain fart. Somebody will throw it in there. What's the word I'm looking for? Not accept, but it's like it's a better word than accept. Accept the merge, or somebody's going to throw it in there. Yeah, it's better than accept, but what is support? Thank you. That's it. Support, Jacob. Thank you. Yeah, support the merge. Endorse. Yeah, support. Support is what I was looking for. Let's see here. What is your Crow and ADA price prediction for the next 2 months? You know, it's so hard to do these price predictions. Nobody really knows, by the way. It's all just you know, we're throwing things out there. I think Crow can get somewhere between $1.50 and $2 in this cycle if all goes perfect. I mean, first things first, let's get over $1. You know, we almost got there last cycle. I think we should get there this year with all of the things they've done with their new blockchain. Obviously, you know, they've got a lot more certifications and they're doing things the right way. Speaking of crypto.com, right? But we're just waiting for the big retail push. We're waiting for that big retail demand to kick back in. That's what we haven't had. And that's when exchange tokens and exchanges in general are going to make a lot of money, when new people come into the space. Now, in terms of Cardano, you know, we saw Cardano go over $3 last cycle. We saw that it was a kind of a late mover last cycle. It's looking as if it could be a relatively late mover in this cycle, but I'm still eyeing that $5 to $7 price target on Cardano. $5 to $7. Good morning. Amazing week and month coming. Yeah, I mean, amazing start to the month here, right? With Bitcoin up a little bit, staying above that 200-day moving average. We talked about how crucial that was, giving us a runway. And guys, real quick, if you haven't hit the like button, definitely do so. It's totally free to do. Find the 3 little dots here. I think it's up at the top right there. Smash that like button. We should have 100 likes easily. If you guys want to give back to the channel here, show your support. And if you're brand new here, you want to subscribe to the channel, definitely do that. Right after this one, we're doing our crypto breakfast club at 9:30, so you guys can come join us over there. Cass is likely just the fact that it's still beta and July 15th is when we're actually rocking and rolling. Yeah, I agree. Well, we've got smart contracts coming there, DeFi coming there. And that's the thing people don't realize. We haven't seen a bull market for Caspa yet. It's been all bear market. It's been a bear market rally. And it's still a top 25 crypto, which is crazy. It's not listed on Binance. It's not listed on Coinbase. The other really bullish thing about Caspa that people don't talk about is the fact that their circulating supply right now, I think, is like at 83, 84%, something like that. By the time we should hit peak bull run this cycle, Caspa's circulating supply should be almost their total supply. We should be like 90 to 95%. At last check, I looked at this a while back. I want to say it was like 94% by the middle of next year will be circulating. That's huge. It's creating that scarcity, right? It's very similar to Bitcoin in that regard. They have, Caspa also has double the halvings that Bitcoin does. It's proof of work. If there's one crypto that can basically entice the Bitcoin maxis, because a lot of these Bitcoin maximalists don't want to invest in anything outside of Bitcoin. If there's one out there, it's Caspa. I've been saying this for a while now. But they're doing all the same things, right? Just like Bitcoin is bringing smart contracts and DeFi on chain through projects like Stacks. Of course, we've got ordinals, and there's a lot going on there. Kaspa's doing the same thing. Kaspa's doing the same thing. And it's just a fraction of the market cap, sitting just over 4 billion. There's a ton of opportunity there. And so we'll see. Guys, it's a beautiful day. Smash the like button. It's Monday. We're off to a great start in crypto. I love it, man. I love it. Who is ready to take on this bull run? Let me know in the comments section. What are your top 3 to 5 holdings? What are you looking to do this bull cycle? What are your goals? I want to hear from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely do so. I am so amped up and so ready and so hyper-focused right now on what's in front of us. Nothing can stop me right now. Nothing can come in my way. And I know a lot of you guys are locked in like this too. I've been grinding these last couple weeks, and I'm so excited about where we are and just how early we are, man, to this big picture. I just can't wait. What's going to happen when this new influx of retail comes in, when we have Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, and maybe even a Solana ETF? What's going to happen here? I don't think we can even fathom the potential that we have here. I don't think people realize what is about to pop off. It's crazy. XT algorithm link. XT algo's link down below in the description. Kendu's a great play. Kendu is a great play. It's one of my top 5 plays right now in the meme coin space. Sorry, I got my selfie stick here. I'm gonna walk a little bit and talk here. Hold on. I guess I can do it this way. So Kendu for me, man. I mean, first off, finding it at $1 million market cap was insane. You know what I mean? And the thing of it is, you know, when it was $1 million market cap, I just kind of thought of it as, oh, this is cute, this is interesting, we'll see what it does. You know, I didn't really think too much of it. And then as I started watching the community grow and really start to see what was happening with Kendu, I quickly realized that we had something much bigger on our hands now. Like, because at first I was just like, oh, let me ape in here, Shaitoshi got in here or whatever. You know, this is cool, this looks interesting. I'll take a flyer on it, and you know, we'll see what happens. But quickly, I realized that something much, much bigger was playing out with Kendu, and now we're sitting at $150 million market cap, went as high as 270 million, and I truly believe that Kendu is literally just beginning. I mean, it's crazy to watch how big it's gotten in such a short amount of time, in terms of holder base, in terms of market cap, in terms of overall interest. You know, they have a docs dev, which a lot of people like that. Speaks on spaces. They actually had a space last night that I heard a little bit on. But it's big. It's big time. And I love its potential still at 150 mil. You know, I found Pepe at this level. I found Brett at this level, very similar. I remember making like a 16x trade on Pepe when it was 100 million. And then Brett, same thing, right around that same level, 100 million. So finding this at $1 million and then seeing it go to 100 million with Kendu, whew, insane, insane. Oh yeah, we talked about Caspa setting all-time highs already. If you guys are just popping in, we've already been talking about Caspa quite a bit. Amazing, amazing stuff. Flying under the radar too, and just crushing it, absolutely crushing it. Adding to bags every week. The only thing with me walking and doing these lives is I have a hard time looking at the comments. Trying to get close to the screen here. Do I think Gala is still a good play? I still think there's a ton of potential there. I'm not selling at a loss. My average cost there is like 5.5, 6 cents. So I'm not that far behind on it. I think gaming is just very quiet right now, but eventually we're gonna have a gaming push. And I think Gala could be a big piece of the gaming, you know, plays. So, no, it's we just have to have patience right now. Gaming is not as close as we thought, and that's okay. Jerry said, we'll stop walking then. Well, I want to walk. I want to do it all. I want to get exercise in and be live. Multitasking. Hanging out with you guys and getting some exercise in. Are you buying any BRC20 tokens? I'm looking at a few. You know, I really like Stacks, which you know, is kind of tied into that whole narrative. But you're right. There are a ton of BRC20 tokens, ordinal projects that may have some big upside. I'm aware of them. I'm really focused on RWA though right now. RWA, AI, top layer ones, top meme coins. That's really where I'm trying to build out biggest positions right now. That isn't exercising, you're just walking. Okay, you must be a professional trainer. Chinese Pepe any good? I don't know where that market cap went to. I know it got out of the gate strong. Where's it at now though? I haven't really looked at that chart. I made a little trade on it, that was it so far. Excuse me. My top M coins, my top M, like top meme coins, is that what you mean? Top meme coins? The ones that I'm accumulating right now heavily, Pepe, Brett, Bobo, Ponky, and Kendu. Those 5. Those are my 5 strongest positions right now. Pepe, Bobo, and Kendu Inu are all on Ethereum. Brett is on Base, Ethereum L2, and Ponky is on Solana. Those are the 5 that I'm really building out right now. Now, I still own SHIB and Doge. I just bought more of each of those in the last 3 or 4 days, just because they're way down right now, and I think they're super undervalued. And I do think that SHIB and Doge eventually are going to make some really big moves when new retail money comes back in. So as I'm trading other assets, smaller cap meme coins, and taking profits, I'm driving Doge, like SHIB, like Chainlink, which I really, really like Chainlink. Again, super undervalued. Ondo Finance is another one. Obviously, Bitcoin, Ethereum, always stacking there too. Among some other ones. But these undervalued, layer 1s like Sui and Aptos right now too. These are new layer 1s, haven't seen a bull run. I'm driving all these profits from meme coins back into these plays that I think are really strong 8 to 10x returns. I think Dogecoin's so undervalued right now. Nobody's talking about it. And it's not going to take much of a retail push to see Dogecoin start running. And Dogecoin's one of those assets that once it starts to run, FOMO hits, man. And when FOMO hits Doge, look out. That's when we're going to see a huge influx of new investors. That's when we're going to see a ton of new money come in, and they're going to flock to household names like Dogecoin and SHIB and Cardano, Solana, Chainlink. I think this whole part of the market will move up together. And I am basically, as an investor right now, as a retail investor, I am trying to set myself up for when this institutional demand meets the retail demand. And I'm trying to play in my head where I think that money's going to go and allocate myself accordingly right now. So that's kind of where I am with the whole Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Chainlink. That's why I'm driving profits into these type of assets. Hopefully that makes sense. Flow token's very interesting. They very interesting blockchain. Of course, they had NBA Top Shots and a lot of these kind of culture plays. And I think it could be a really good investment. I would just rather put my money in a far less riskier play right now where I think it's super undervalued. And this, again, after taking a lot of risk, I'm trying to mitigate risk. How can I mitigate risk and feel really good about still getting an 8 to 10x? For me, it's Chainlink, it's Dogecoin, it's SHIB, it's Ondo Finance, it's Stacks, it's these type of plays. I still like, excuse me, Render, Injective. I like these plays a lot too. Can do to the moon. I like it. July. Man, the weather changed here drastically. And my sinuses are getting me today. Drainage. July is not like necessarily crazy bullish or crazy bearish historically, but historically Bitcoin has been bullish in the month of July. It's not like crazy returns, but it's been green. It's been a green month historically for Bitcoin. Again, nothing like out of the ordinary crazy, but it was nice to see it pop. It was nice to get us get a little pop. I have to get some water in a little bit, boys and girls. Whew. Excuse me. Internet computer, can it reach all-time high? Oh, yeah. I mean, they all can. That's the thing. They all can. It's just, where do you feel like you could put your money and feel good about it and not be, not be taking a ton of risk? God damn. Drainage. Claritin, bro. Yeah, Claritin doesn't work for me as much anymore. Used to. Probably because I took it too much. It went from 90 degrees to like the low was like 48, 50 last night, and it's just jacking me up. I've heard of waves, like it, not invested in it. You can't invest in everything. All my plays are not long-term plays, Bob. No. I mean, there's a lot of short-term swing trades on meme coins. Then there's a lot of plays that I'm in for a cycle or a few months. And then there's plays like Bitcoin and Ethereum where I just accumulate for the long term. The only forever long-term plays that I'm in right now are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything else is tradable. Everything else I could trade. You know? I'll see you in about an hour or so. All right, Wolfie. Guys, we are going to be live. Damn. Hopefully I don't cough like this all freaking day. Jeez, oh man. We're going to be live on X at 9:30, guys. I'm trying to set this up. 9:30 on X, guys. We're going to be live. As you guys know, we're doing the Crypto Breakfast Club. Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So we're a half hour away from that. It's going to be epic. If you guys do not follow me on X yet, make sure you guys do. Just drink water. Yeah, no, I need to go get some water. My X is linked down below in the description. But let me, I can post the link. I'll post the link for y'all. It's a pinned post on my X account. So let me grab that. We're going to be talking a lot about everything today. Crypto security a little bit, trading strategies, some cryptos that are pumping. So we'll be getting into it. I will go and post it on there. Excited for another good week of lives. Yeah, JH, for sure. We got the live streams here, but we've also got a great week of Crypto Breakfast Club, too. Shot of rum and honey. Is that what the Aussies do? Sounds like that's what the Aussies do, huh? that what y'all do in Australia? Oh, this damn thing is too big to... I need to get it out of the damn way. All right, that'll play for a minute here. All right, my phone's got 1 bar. I'm trying to go post that. Let's see here. See you in 30, Jerry. All right, man. We're trying to post it here. Okay, here we go. Oh, I forgot to put a thumbnail on our live stream today. Oops. Yeah, we still had some people come in. Guys, hit the like button. 10 of you need to hit the like button. Let's get to 100. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, definitely do that too. All right, so here, I should be able to post it. There we go. There you go. That is the X post for the Crypto Breakfast Club today. Okay. And yeah. I'm trying to pin it now, but my phone's, man, 1 bar. What the hell's going on here? I'm coughing. We got 1 bars. What else is going on, guys? What kind of questions do you guys have for me here? XRP all hype? I don't know. Actually, I don't think it's all hype at all. It's all substance. And the problem is people want the price to moon right now. It's not happening. What's going on? What's happening, Small Town Philosopher? How we doing? What's going on, bro? All right, my post there, guys, is I can't pin it because I can't refresh it. This thing's a mess today. Absolute mess. It is what it is. You just got to keep rolling with it. But that link down there, that link down there that I just posted, that link, click that. Make sure you guys are following me on X. You don't want to miss out on our Crypto Breakfast Clubs, man. They're epic. They're amazing. Tons of fun. So we'll be rocking and rolling on there here at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. They are a ton of fun, let me tell you. We get into it over there. And everybody has a chance to come up and speak and be part of the conversation. It's great. So what do you think of STC? Joseph, I've been out of Saitama for a while. I'm in that Saitama on Sol, actually. But the regular Saitama, I've been out for a long time, man. It's just been, it was too much for me to handle, all the drama, and I made some money on there and just exited. We have to get clarity first, you know the rest. Yeah, I mean, I think regulatory clarity is coming for us sooner than later. You know, we got Ethereum ETFs. I think that provides clarity. Then they're already talking about Solana ETFs. And I think it's been interesting to watch, even with the FIT bill, the Democrats coming over and actually endorsing crypto a little bit, which is good. We're getting some of that bipartisan support. I drive a Land Rover Defender. The only reason I drive that is, though, it's 6,000 pounds, and it's a write-off for me in my business. Otherwise, I would drive probably like a Honda Civic or something. That's what I used to drive. But I got this for the write-off and for tax purposes. It's one of the only things you could do. Still. Hi, brother. Hope you are well. Any thoughts on Ondo Finance? Love it, man. Love Ondo Finance. So to me, Chainlink and Ondo are the two big tokenization plays for me. And I know there's a lot out there. I think Pendle's another one in the top 100. But for me, it's Ondo Finance and Chainlink. I am building out two big positions in both of those. Massive cup and handle on Bitcoin on the weekly. Love it, bro. Aussie Crypto, love it. I will check that out. We've been trending nicely. So yeah, guys, hang out with us on the space at 9:30. We're going to be going over some gems, some small caps, some alpha plays. I don't want to give it all away here, but there are some things we're looking at, and we'll get into it over there. Liquid staking. When's that sector going to take off? Barkoshi, great question. I think with Ethereum ETFs coming, you're going to see Lido DAO probably have a boost. I know K9 Finance is kind of doing that for the whole meme coin market. The only issue with staking and the whole idea of liquid staking, the government does not like it, right? So one of the ways I think, from my understanding, is that they're getting these ETFs through is they're getting the staking element out of there. And I think that's why it's taking so long to get all these through. This is why I think it's taking so long to get all the S1 and all the paperwork filed. It's because it's a little bit more hoops they have to jump through, and like things that they got to make sure, and boxes they have to check, and the whole staking thing. It's more complicating than Bitcoin. I think that's why it's taking a little longer. Now, what are they going to do about DeFi? What are they going to do about staking? I think that's kind of next up after ETFs go live, after Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF, and all of these sort of things happen. Then I think the attention will shift there. But on the surface, of course, governments don't like DeFi. Of course, they don't like decentralized anything. They're all about centralization, right? So I think the narrative is shifting, though, and it's changing. And they want people to invest through the ETFs. They don't want you investing in some staking platform and making passive income without them getting a piece of the pie. I don't know. It's frustrating. Sultan, as the financial markets have been integrated with crypto, a stock market crash, which will happen in 2025, will wipe out crypto and leave a big winter behind. Probably, yeah. I mean, economists are right, economists are wrong. People are right, people are wrong. But I hear you. I mean, yeah, there's going to be a pullback at some point, and if the entire stock market were to crash, it probably would bring down crypto too. I don't know if crypto's to the point where they could be that total hedge against inflation yet, but I think that also it just shows you how early we are to crypto and the opportunity that still presents itself in this next decade. But yeah, Sultan, I mean, listen, bro, I'm keeping an eye on all of my investments. I've said this many times before. The only cryptos that I'm holding for the long term and not selling at all are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those cryptos I add on to. Everything else, sellable. Liquid, right? And I want to get into a big cash position ahead of that potential crash that you're talking about. Therefore, I can take full advantage of the market and be ready to buy the dip on what I believe are the best projects at that time going into the next bull run. Because it will be cyclical, right? And the people with money make money. The rich get richer. We know that, right? So I'm trying to get rich in the next 6 to 12 months, richer than I already have gotten on crypto. I mean, I'm not like, some gazillionaire or anything, but I have done well. And I'm in a position, I think, to do even better than I did back in 2021 because of what I learned and what we went through and, trial and error. I mean, I got burnt by a lot of things. There's a lot of different things I left on the table. I mean, I've done good and I'm very grateful for that. But I've put a lot more hard work throughout this bear market to prepare myself for this moment and to get ready to be way more profitable this go around. And I've already been profitable this year. Really dating back to the bear market to now. And I've taken a lot of profits already this year, driven those back into assets that I think are still going to move up, like Chainlink and Ethereum and Bitcoin, and getting ready for this run. But yeah, Sultan, eventually you're going to get a pullback, 100%. 100%. And the stock market is due for a major correction or maybe even a crash at some point. And I think you're right. I think it will be some point after the election, probably. What do you think, Sultan, if you had to guess, like quarter 2, 3 of 2025 maybe? Something like that? Brett and Myro, main meme plays. I still hold some Myro. I profited a lot off Myro. I still hold a ton of Brett. I've won my money back and pulled some profits on Brett too. and left big moon bags on both of them. I feel really good. I own way more breadth than Myro right now, but those crazy shib pumps are amazing, right? And take your profits. Have a plan, ladies and gentlemen. Have a plan to profit when those pumps happen, right? Arrow doesn't seem to be recovering. Thoughts? I think when we have on-chain summer really set in and retail money start coming into base like crazy, that's when Arrow, the DEX, will have another run. It had a little run up here on the hype of just base chain, and now it's cooling off. It's a little cool down period, H&H. I wouldn't look too far into it. I wouldn't say that it's all over for Arrow. It's just a little cool down period after a pump. I still have some PMPY, and made some good gains off that one already too. Yep. Looking forward to seeing another collab with you, Austin and Oscar. Yeah, Aussie Crypto, we do need to get a few more of those rocking. Do you think maybe this month will start to build some pressure for Bitcoin to go up? I mean, historically, July has been a winning month for Bitcoin. It hasn't been like a blow off top for Bitcoin, anything like crazy. But it has been a winning month for Bitcoin. And I think, honestly, man, as long as we trend in this, honestly, if we stay between 60 and 65,000 for the whole month, I would not be mad. Would not be mad at all. I think it's just a great time in the market to accumulate, and it shows strength that Bitcoin's holding the line. As long as we trend here for a while, I think we're still gearing up for a big boom in Q4 of this year. That's my sentiment right now. If it changes, obviously, we're here every single day. We go live right here, guys, by the way, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. So this isn't just a one-off thing. We're always here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you haven't already. And in literally 15 minutes or so, we're going to be going to the Crypto Breakfast Club, and you're not going to want to miss what we've got cooking over there because, yeah, we have been crushing it over there. I'm going to pin that message. That's my status there. That X link down there, that is my X account. Make sure you come over and follow me there. Click that, secure your spot today, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Again, 15 minutes away, where we extend these conversations and other people jump in. They're phenomenal. We've been doing the Crypto Breakfast Club now every single day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, after these live streams. And it's been amazing to watch these things take off. I've got some great co-hosts. We've got Shark Tank Wednesday starting this week. Wait until you find out what we've got in store for you guys there. We'll talk a little bit about it on the Breakfast Club today. We'll talk about some alpha gems. We'll talk about security a little bit. And yeah, man, it's going to be epic. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get myself prepared for that. I will see you guys all over there. Okay? Do not miss out on this opportunity. I will see you guys over there in about 10, 15 minutes. Again, that is over on X, the link down below. I'm telling you guys, you do not want to miss out on today's episode. It's going to be another epic one as we start the week. And nothing like hanging out with all of the great people in the Crypto Breakfast Club. We all share our thoughts, ideas, our alpha, and we all learn and grow together. And we crush it in crypto. We crush it in this space. And we even extend it out to entrepreneurship and just winning in life and what it takes mentally to be a winner. So if you guys are about that and you want part of it and you're not yet there with us, click that link down below as my pinned. It's totally free to join these, by the way, totally free. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel too, all right? Appreciate you guys. I will see you over there in about 15 minutes. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you.